Fathers and sons. Fathers and sons. A story that's never ending, because its work is never done. I'm thinking about my own father tonight, and I hate to break down the mood here in the Midnight Review. But my father, he has Alzheimer's. And my feelings on it are complicated. I'm not sure I'll ever sort him fully out. But it is not the most joyous way to end your years. And tomorrow is my father's birthday. Not that he knows. Not that he remembers me. Life can be cruel sometimes, and it can be hard to find the meaning in something that seems so cruel and pointless. And I'm not saying I found it. But it sure has made me appreciate what I have while I have it. Miss what I don't have that's gone. Have a certain further compassion for people that I don't know if I was capable of before. I miss my father. I miss him every time I go see him. But I want him to know that I love him. And wherever his mind and his soul are, happy birthday, Dad. I love you.